Hi, my name is Josh Ezell. I'm the founder and CEO of Ohana Helps, the first home services marketplace that finally works for both sides. Meet Sherry. She took today off of work to have handyman services done around her home. She got ghosted again. She's tried all the lead platforms out there. They just don't work. Like 75 million other homeowners, she's looking for a platform she could rely on for home services on a regular basis. So she goes to Ohana Helps, or she could go to use our phone agent to get an instant quote. It's based on 13,000 past appointments for accuracy, and it's learning in real time. We currently have over 500 services available, and we're adding services daily. She likes the quote, so she books a real appointment, not a lead, real appointment. She's in full control. She chooses the date and the time. Rest assured, the vendor will show up and carry out that appointment stress free. How do we know that? Because we're the first vertical labor marketplace for home services. These are real appointments, they're not leads. All of our vendors are profitable from hour one, like they should be. There's end to end protection for both sides. We've already helped 100 customers carry out over 130 appointments, and that brought in $11,000 net revenue for Ohana since we launched in January. We have 48 handymen on standby who can't wait for us to grow to be able to help them too. We're an hourly marketplace based on the location where the work is being done. So the vendors pay a claim fee, but then they get to keep the first hour to ensure they're profitable. And then we have a split of everything thereafter. We can't be compared to Angie's or Thumbtack. We are not a lead platform. We are a full stack home services marketplace. So we're more compared to an Aya Health or an Honor. We launched in Maricopa County. We plan on expanding throughout Arizona over the next year before going nationwide and then launching other services we know will benefit from our platform. The handyman industry alone is over $35 billion. By simply having 400 handymen carry out 7 jobs per week, that's $10 million in Ohana take. By having 3,200 handymen carry out those same 7 jobs, that's $100 million in Ohana take. And there's 400,000 handymen nationwide or more. Over the next 7 years, we actually have plans to go nationwide, launch our other services, and actually go international if possible. I booked over 13,000 appointments with the last handyman company I started. Stephen White, our CTO, has 13 years experience in business intelligence, and April Ray, our growth advisor, has 2 exits from her previous companies. We are Ohana Helps, the first home services marketplace that finally works for both sides.